Are you having problems with your Facebook stories not showing and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step to make it work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be quite simple. We need to firstly go into our Facebook app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Facebook app right here. And by the way, you can do this like on your computer as well if you want to, but it's just much easier to do this, in my opinion, on your mobile. So basically now what you're going to do is to firstly click on the three lines in the bottom right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now on this page, then what we're going to do is to just simply scroll down in here. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help and support. So click on help and support. Now, as you can see, we get a couple of options in here, but for this case, we need to actually click on help, rather report a problem, sorry. So click on report a problem. Now click once again on report a problem, click on include in report, and then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is great. Now on this page, then what you're going to do is to just scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says stories in here, as you can see. So click on stories. Now we should be taken here. So you need to write like this to their support now to be able to actually make this work, because in this in there's this option here that we're able to contact the Facebook customer support that specialize in stories, and they're the ones that can help us. And that is basically why you need to come to this page. So now write like this: I'm having problems with stories not showing up for me. And then we can write, I need this to be fixed. So basically write like this now to them: I am having problems with stories not showing up for me. I need this to be fixed. Now, of course, also don't forget to click on send in the top right corner. And now you will need to wait about 24 to maybe 48 hours for Facebook to actually see this. And hopefully after they have seen this, then this problem will be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.